now that I've been spending all the time with WL 112, figured I'd get back to this. This thing was causing me all kinds of problems because I was missing the washers in the end. And they just happened to come in today, so we'll get this rolling. I'll take apart the front end, replace the all the washers in there, and see where we go. Little bench time. Putting out a video. You'll probably see it before you see this one. We went to the skate park with the 112, and I bought another 112. So yeah, these came in today. They're the caps for your. Sorry, I'm a little tired. Long day, so caps that go inside the ends here. Hopefully that'll keep them in. If it doesn't, then I'm switching back over to plastic swing arms because I didn't have that problem with them the way I rigged these. So what I use is the washers for shocks that you get for the tops. They work good holding them in normally. Like the back end, I don't have a problem. It's just the front. So I'm going to swap out the front with these, and they're a couple bucks, whatever. Took forever, but I'll get them in there and we'll get it out ripping. You don't need to watch me do this. You need to watch it ripping. I'll be back soon. Again. So this is the my custom 12. First time ripping it. See, you can tell it's got the wrong motor in there. This has got the LC slipper clutch. He wants to go. Trying to do this one-handed, so I suck as it is with this. So you know what? I'm just setting this down. You could see how I hit it. Hopefully it don't fall over. So